Hi dears, welcome to math class. Our title is Addition and Subtraction of Algebraic Fractions, Part 3. This is the continuing of last previous two sections or two parts of the addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. We immediately start with some example. Because we have many kind of examples, so I split this one into three sections. Simplify. One over a minus 1 minus a over a square minus 1 minus a to the power of 2 over a to the power of 4 minus 1 minus a to the power of 4 over a to the power of 8 minus 1. For this kind of fractions, taking the lowest common denominator is a little bit difficult. So what we do, we solve these kind of fractions. Like there is some similarity between first and second, and third and fourth. We start from one by one. Now we do first and second, then the result with the third, and the result with the fourth one. So now this is equal to, between these two, a to the power of 2 minus 1 and a minus 1, a to the power of 2 minus 1 or a square minus 1 is common denominator. We know that a to the power of 2 minus 1 is according to identities, is a minus 1 and a plus 1. So now a to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by a minus 1, it becomes a plus 1. A plus 1 times 1 is a plus 1. A to the power of 2 minus 1 divided by a to the power of 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 times a is minus a. Minus a to the power of 2 over a to the power of 4 minus 1 minus a to the power of 4 over a to the power of 8 minus 1. And now what we do, we simplify this one, is equal to a to the power of a will cancel with a negative a, so here remaining 1 over a to the power of 2 minus 1 minus a to the power of 2 over a to the power of 4 minus 1 minus a to the power of 4 over a to the power of 8 minus 1. Now here we simplify this one with this one, so now it is equal to the common denominator of them, or a to the power of 4 minus 1. A to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to a to the power of 2 minus 1, a to the power of 2 plus 1. A to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by a to the power of 2 minus 1 is a to the power of 2 plus 1. A to the power of 2 plus 1 times a. 1 is a to the power of 2 plus 1 and minus a to the power of 4 minus 1 divided by a to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to 1. 1 times a to the power of 2 is a to the power of 2 minus a to the power of 4 over a to the power of 8 minus 1, and this is equal to a to the power of 2 will cancel with the negative a to the power of 2, here remaining only positive 1 over a to the power of 4 minus 1 minus a to the power of 4 over a to the power of 8 a to the power of 8 minus 1. Now between these two fractions, the common denominator is equal to a to the power of 8 minus 1. Now a to the power of 8 minus 1 divided by a to the power of 4 minus 1 is equal to a to the power of 4 plus 1. A to the power of 4 plus 1 times 1 is equal to a to the power of 4 plus 1, and a to the power of 8 minus 1 divided by a to the power of 8 minus 1 is a 1. 1 times minus a to the power of 4 is a to the power of 4, and the a to the power of positive a to the power of 4 will cancel with the negative a to the power of 4. The only thing is remaining is here positive 1 or 1 over a to the power of 8, 1 over a to the power of 8 minus 1. This is the final result for these fractions. Okay, now we solve another problem. Example. Simplify. Simplify. 1 over a to the power of 2 minus 1 plus 1 over a to the power of 2 minus 2 minus 1 over a to the power of 2 plus 1 minus 1 over a to the power of 2 plus 2. In this kind of problems that there are similarity of the denominators, what we do, we bring those are that similar to beside each other and make a pair of the fractions like this. That's equal to 1 over a to the power of 2 minus 1 minus 1 over a to the power of 2 plus 1 plus, now what we do, first and third and second and fourth, plus 1 over a to the power of 2 minus 2 minus 1 over a to the power of 2 plus 2. Now these two, we solve these two with the other and these two with each other separately. Now between these two, the common denominator is a to the power of 2 minus 1 times a to the power of 2 plus 1. The common denominator divide by this one, the first denominator, a to the power of 2 minus 1. The result will be a to the power of 2 plus 1 times 1 is a to the power of 2 plus 1 minus this one divided by a to the power of 2 plus 1. Result is a to the power of 2 minus 1 times 1 is a to the power of 2 minus 1 plus, for these two, common denominator is a to the power of 2 minus 2 times a to the power of 2 plus 2. This one divided by a to the power of 2 minus 2, the result is a to the power of 2 plus 2 times 1 is a to the power of 2 plus 2 minus a to the power, this one divided by a to the power of 2 plus 2 is equal to a to the power of 2 minus 2 times 1 is a to the power of 2 minus 2. Now here, if you multiply the negative sign, this one becomes negative a to the power of 2 and this will become positive, negative times negative, positive 1. So now this is equal to a to the power of 2 will cancel by the negative a to the power of 2 and the a1 plus 1 is 2 over a to the power of 4 minus 1 plus, for these two, again a to the power of 2 will cancel with the negative a to the power of 2 and negative times negative is positive. 2 plus 2 is 4, a to the power of 2 minus 4. Now here this is equal to a to the power of 4 minus 1, then common denominator, times a to the power of 4 minus 4. This one divided by this become a to the power of 4 minus 4 times 2 is 2 a to the power of 4 minus 2 times 4 is 8 plus a to the power of this one divided by this become a to the power of 4 minus 1 plus times 4 is 4 times a to the power of 4 is 4 a to the power of 4 minus 4 times 1 is 4. Now this is equal to, we simplify this one, 2 plus 4 is 6, a to the power of 4 minus 12 over a to the power of 8 minus 4 and minus 1 is minus 5, a to the power of 4, negative times negative is positive, 1 times 4 is 4. You know these from the factoring and identities. Now if you simplify this one, 6 is common, so it is e to the power of 4 minus 12 divided by 6 is 2 over a to the power of 8 minus 5 a to the power of 4 plus 4. This is the final result. A6 a to the power of 2 minus 2 over a to the power of 8 minus 5 a to the power of 4 plus 4. I think this is enough for the addition and subtraction of algebraic fractions. Thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the video with your family and friends, and please press the notification bell to get notified for more videos. Have a wonderful and great days and nights. Bye bye.